Alright guys, today is March 19th, 2020, and got a project here. I need to put a hitch on something 3-point so I can move my equipment trailers and stuff around on the farm. So what I have here is a Land Pride, I think it's called a scarifier. What it is, it's upside down right now. So what it does is it hooks up to the 3-point, and it's got these teeth just like a box blade, and tears up the soil. But you can flip the blades upside down like I did here, so they're on the top, so there'll be nothing on the bottom. So I had this old hitch receiver laying around from an old 4-wheeler we had, and the plan is to cut this off right here so that the hitch can slide in, and then we're going to weld this hitch receiver right, obviously with the pin correctly, right in line with the top 3-point link, and then we'll have a hitch.